I'm gonna put on, oh yeah, by the way, this is the body. Ciao. But I'm kind of on the tall side, so that's why, like, my weight is kind of too high right now. But I'm gonna put on 2 pants. It's not as cold outside today, but it's cold. And my cozy vanilla bourbon per. It is about 39 degrees outside right now. It's not like extremely hot, or it's not like extremely cold, but just in case, you know, because it's been like extremely cold for the last couple of days. Now I'm looking like a boy. I'm looking like Drizzy Drake, but realize it's girl, okay? It's female. Bye, Gracie. Gracie. I'm going to go on what they used to call a hot girl walk. And this is going to be so irritating, recording out in public. I don't have a selfie stick. Oh, God. But I do want to start oh my God. I do want to start recording more vlogs because I gotta keep it real. Like, I'm tired of makeup videos. Like, I have so much more to offer this world. And I know I'm looking very androgynous right now, but it's what it is. This is how I look when I go out on a walk. I woke up feeling like, you know, depressed. And I still have that feeling right now. Let us start with a prayer. Lord, I thank you for another day. I thank you for upholding me and giving me strength through times when I'm weak. Help us, Lord, those out there and myself who battles with depression, that we overcome and fully trust in you. Amen. I had to zip up my jacket because, good Lord, it is extremely cold out here. Like, the weather says 40 degrees. Yeah, no. It's definitely feeling like 35. So I'm a little bit over 2 miles now. And I'm telling you, a lot of people doubt how effective walking for weight loss is. But do not knock it until you try it. Okay, I have been walking now, like, consistently almost every day for only less than 2 weeks. So I think it's been about 11 or 12 days, and I've lost 7 pounds. I'm gonna make a separate video about this, but yes, I've already lost 7 pounds. Okay, so it makes sense. Weight loss, the core concept of it is calories in versus calories out. If you are doing any physical activity, it could even be dancing, walking, swimming, you don't have to go to the gym. Any physical activity burns calories. Okay, if you're going on a brisk walk, it's good for your health. It's good for your health physically, mentally. And if you need to lose weight, it's very good for weight loss. It's a low intensity workout. The only downside to it, I believe, is, well, right now it's cold outside, so it's very dependent on weather. And another downside to it is literally, it takes a long time. So for instance, usually when I'm walking 5 miles, it takes about an hour, 45 minutes. I have a treadmill in my living room, which I do use on the days that's like way too cold or raining, or I just don't feel like going outside. But I prefer to walk outside because you're getting the incline, the decline, you're getting the fresh air, you're around people. It's just all around better for your mental and physical health. Whew. Oh my gosh. It's pretty cold out here. I'm considering either putting no edits at all except for like rough cuts, or making this video more entertaining with edits. But why does, why does everything have to be so overstimulating? Why can't we just be present with each other and in the moment with each other? Even though we're not physically together, this is like a virtual interaction. I don't believe that every YouTube video has to be filled with edits and music and all this and that. We can just be talking. Like, people need that interaction, especially in a world that has shifted to the virtual world. I watch a lot of Jamaica vlogs where people are vlogging like their day in their life in Jamaica or moving to Jamaica. Those are like my favorite videos because obviously they go places I used to go as a child, or they go places where I wish to go. And man, the homesick feeling you feel as an immigrant, especially as an immigrant in a place or terrain that is not similar to where you grew up, very hard. Because it's not even like I immigrated from Jamaica to like the Cayman Islands or something. Jamaica to the United States. In this here cold place, the place is cold. It's depressing, man. Don't get me wrong, I understand that in Jamaica there is certain lacks of opportunity, which very much sucks, and I hope that that changes in my lifetime, because us Jamaicans are viewing a lot of things as lack of opportunity. Then foreigners are seeing opportunities in Jamaica, and they're capitalizing off of things that we should capitalize off of. Now, a lot of real estate, a lot of land, a lot of businesses are owned by foreigners, and us Jamaicans that fought hard and have history in that country, rightfully so, are losing out on a lot of things because foreigners are capitalizing off of it, and the only way to reclaim it is to buy it back. Money to which most Jamaicans have never and potentially will never see. So it's a bad situation, and I truly hope that the government changes it. I be seeing a lot of baddies in the park, and in me, I just feel like, damn, like, I just wish that we were friends. Like, you look cool. You know, we're in this park together. I see you all the time. Like, I just always imagine them coming up to me, and then we just start chatting, and then I finally have like a walking partner. But as you can see, I started this video off talking about how depressed I was feeling, and now I'm smiling, my mood is jovial, like I'm feeling uplifted. That's what exercising does for you. Being out in nature, that's what it does for you too. And talking and expressing yourself, even if you're just talking to a camera. So get out there and go walk. In good times, in bad times, I'll be by your side forevermore. Tell me, darling, that's what friends are for. Jesus Christ. I'm not gonna lie. Sun hot, but everything else cool. I'm trying to keep my saturated fat low as possible. This has nothing to do with weight loss, or maybe it does, I don't know, but just for general health, and I feel like I have to based off of the way I've been feeling. So that's why I'm keeping the yogurt low. Yogurt does have quite a bit of saturated fat in there. This is the only yogurt I use. It's pretty much made from cashews, and because I'm dieting, I have the unsweetened one. So literally I put 2 heaping teaspoons in there. Sometimes I put 3 depending on how I feel, but most of the times it's just 2. Then I'm gonna add in some blueberries and blackberries. I love blackberries so much. Like, then after that, I'm just adding in some grapes and a half of a banana. I do not feel like cutting it up aesthetically pleasing, so I just rip it off. For those of you who made it this far into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. This YouTube stuff, it is so much harder than TikTok. Like, you know what's sad? The way that TikTok is set up, it's made me realize that a lot of these things are hard by design. Because look at how TikTok designed the app and made it so easy for creators to be seen. So YouTube is hard by design, and I don't appreciate that. I have very little honey in there left. Whatever is left in there, I'm just gonna put it on. I usually like to top myself off with honey just to give a little sweetness to the yogurt. And if you know, you know, yogurt and honey is meant to be together. After that, I put in hemp seeds. Hemp seeds, if you're a vegetarian, is very good, or if you're anybody. It has omega-3s, omega-6s, which is very hard to get as a vegetarian, so I eat hemp seeds every day. Okay, my vegan patty is done. Let me put that right there. I'm so excited to eat. I haven't eaten all day. It's probably like 1:45 right now. I'm so freaking hungry. Every freaking night and every freaking day, I wanna freak you, baby. So freaking tight. Every freaking night and every freaking day, I wanna freak you, baby. So freaking tight. Oh, I'm putting mustard and some dill relish on my patty, and don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. But I don't have a camera that makes, I don't have a setup to film food, so this will be it for now. This will be it for now. This will be it. And I don't know what the dill relish or whatever it's called adds, but all I know is that it tastes pretty good. And for whatever reason, oh yeah, this is another tip, by the way. If you are going to use sauce, use a sauce or a condiment that is low in calories. So that's why I use mustard a lot. Mustard is very low in calorie. From what it's showing me here, I don't know how accurate this is or how this is even possible, but it's showing me that 1 teaspoon of mustard, or at least this Whole Foods one, is 0 calories. Also, this is also 0 calories. How is that possible? I don't know, but that's what it's showing me. This is why I usually use these anytime I want sauce. I love pepperoncini. Like, pepperoncini is so good. Like, I really love it with a mayonnaise sauce that I used to make, but I'm chilling on the mayonnaise because it's like high in saturated fat, and yeah, it's just not the best food to eat for me right now. Anyway, let me show you guys the finished results and how many calories it is. I'll put it on the screen because this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video. I will be making more vlogs, even if it gets like 2 views, because I enjoy making them. And I just feel like if I'm gonna do YouTube, because like I said earlier on in the video, TikTok was like the fun app. Like, I got a lot of joy creating and posting on there and consuming the content on there. YouTube, I don't feel the same way about it. It just does not give the same